Let's see whether the trend is bullish or bearish based on today's price action. And also let's mark the important levels, and I'm going to readjust these levels based on today's price action. Okay, let's see what happened today. Today Nifty opened above our level, above our level that we planned yesterday. We planned if Nifty is going to open inside this range, if there is going to be any breakout. This is our first target, second target, and this is a third target, third and final target. That's what we planned. But what happened is it opened a gap up. And in gap up, we planned if there is going to be any pullback, we should take the trade. There is no pullback. It broke this level. And this is a point where you should take the trade for these targets. And this is the second target that we planned. And this is the third target. You can easily aim this, and it is easiest to touch this point. And after it consolidated, it broke out and it touched this point. After a lot of consolidation, it touched this point. It is easy to book profit around this level if you took the trade around this point. Okay, that is based on yesterday's planning. And let's mark the important levels for tomorrow. I'm going to remove these levels and I'm going to draw new levels based on today's price action. And this level is still valid. This level, I'm going to keep this as it is. This is going to be an important level, and there is going to be one more important support level. It bounced multiple times. Let's see. There is a reversal from this point. There is a bounce, and another time there is a bounce here, and there is a one more bounce here. So it is going to be an important support in tomorrow's trading session. Nifty opens above this level, and one more important resistance level is this level, and one more important resistance level is going to be this point. Or else we can consider this as a zone, this 20-point zone from 25,980 to 26,000. You can consider this as a zone or two independent levels. That's up to you. And I have marked these two levels on the chart. And these two levels are going to be useful if it opens inside this range. If it opens above this range, this will act as a support. If it opens above this range, these two levels, if Nifty is going to bounce from this level or from this level, you can take the trade. Well, plan that. I'm just giving you an idea. Now, if you haven't watched my live trading video, how I captured this move, you should watch my video. I am going to put the link in description, or you can go to channel and watch the last trading video. And what happened, how I captured, how I holded on to the trade, you can watch that entire video. Okay, let's create our plan for tomorrow's trading session. If Nifty opens inside this range, let me zoom out and see some more levels. This is a previous high level. You should remember that. If Nifty opens inside this range, wait for a breakout on this side or on this side. If there is a breakout on this side, let's see how it's going to react around this level. If there is going to be any breakout, you can aim this level as your final target level, because this is a almost 90 to 100 points move from this point to this point. You can easily book this target. If you are getting 80 to 90 points, you just book the trade and close for the day. If it's going to break on the downside, because Nifty rejected from this point earlier, so it is better to book profit around that point. After consolidation, if it breaks this level once again, you can take the trade again. But if you are in the trade, book your profit around this point. If Nifty breaks this level on the downside, you can aim this as a first target and this as a second target. It will work as a gap fill trade from this 25,920 level to 25,800. It is almost 120 points. You can easily capture 100 points on downside as well. If there is a reversal from this point, you should book your profit around this point. If it's going to break this level, you can wait for this target. These are the two setups. And if Nifty opens above this level or above this level, if it opens above this level, wait for a pullback. And above this level also, you can wait for a pullback if the momentum is not fast. If it opens above this level, the momentum will be fast. You can take the trade in the breakout, same like today itself, and you can book your profit around this level. And after that, how the market is going to react, wait and watch. And if there is any breakout, you can take the trade once again. But if it opens above this level, if there is any breakout, you can take the trade for this target. That's going to be an easy target. And if it's going to open below this level, wait for a pullback towards this level or towards this closing price, and in the reversal, take the trade. Day's low is going to be your first target, and this level is going to be your second target. And if this level is going to break with a momentum, fast momentum, you can wait for this target. Otherwise, you can book your trade around this point and exit out of the market with a profit. These are the setups for tomorrow's trading session. And let's see the higher time frame analysis, and let's see what is happening as per our weekly planning. If we go to daily time frame, I'm going to hide these drawings. Let me hide all these drawings. Okay, what happened today is it is a reversal, but whether it is going to continue or not, we should see. If this level is going to break and if tomorrow Nifty is going to close above this level, the momentum is going to continue. Today's is a reversal. It closed above previous day's high. This is a reversal, and on a weekly candle we have seen this is a reversal candle in weekly. This close should not break. If after making a high tomorrow or day after tomorrow Nifty makes a red candle and closes below this level, and weekly candle closes below this level, we can consider this as a reversal. You should observe whether this high is breaking or this low is breaking. Based on that you can take your trade, and today's price action is a reversal. Whether it is a temporary reversal or pullback in this move for continuation, or it is going to break this level, we should wait and watch. These are the plans and setups for tomorrow's trading session. This is my overall view. Whether this is a pullback for breaking this low or whether this is a pullback for breaking this high, we should wait and watch. I have planned all the setups covering these moves for breaking this level and for breaking this level. We have covered all these setups. That's my plan for tomorrow's trading session. If you want to see this kind of videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in next video.